The HyperX Pulsefire Haste is one of the lightest gaming mouses out there, and it also has a really unique design that separates it from the others. The mouse is anywhere from $49 to $50, and if you want the best deal, obviously you gotta go to eBay or Amazon. Well, all that being said, let me take you guys through the unboxing experience. The unboxing experience is super light, super easy. I do like the design of the box, it looks really cool, but once you open it up, you can see the mouse and it comes in this weird plastic. But once you go past that and you take it out, you can see that it's a matte black finish, and it does have the holes all throughout the mouse, and we'll talk about more of that later. You do not get a lot in the box. After that, you do get some extra case if you want to put those in the bag once yours get ruined, and then that's about it. I have been using the Pulsefire Haze every day, and I don't even play a lot of games. I have been using it for my normal day-to-day stuff. The reason why there's a lot of hype around this gaming mouse is because of its weight and the unique design like I talked about before. The mouse is super comfortable, it feels really good in the hand, and even though it's pretty light, there's some size to it. Here you can see the Pulsefire Haze right next to the Haste Essential by Razer, and you can see them side by side. By the way, I did do a video about the Haste Essential if you guys want to check that out. When it comes to the design, the mouse does have a symmetrical design, which is not a surprise at all. It comes in a matte black finish, and it has holes throughout the whole mouse, which is the really cool part. And this is what most of the people talk about. The fact that there are holes throughout the whole mouse means that you can see inside, and it makes it stand out and definitely sets it apart from other gaming mouses. It does have RGB, it has it on the scroll wheel, but I think it'll look even cooler if it had RGB all the way in the back of the mouse. And HyperX is just an opinion. The mouse does have 6 buttons that you can go ahead and program to whatever you want, 2 of those 6 being on the side that I find myself using a lot, and it does have a DPI button which is right behind the scroll wheel for you to switch your DPI on the fly if you're playing games. Now let's do a little sound test. The mouse does have a braided cable, it's long, and it does feel high quality. One of the only things that I could find that doesn't really feel high quality is the scroll wheel. It sounds weird and it's not as smooth. Other than that, the mouse feels super good, and when you're using the mouse on your mouse pad, it glides so smooth that it's a little bit surprising. As for the specs, I will not name them all, but here's a few. It weighs 59 grams, it has the Pixar 3335 sensor, and DPI is all the way to 16,000. So if you are looking for a gaming mouse that's lightweight and it has a unique design, then this might be what you're looking for. And if you're looking for more gaming mouses, especially on the budget side, I do recommend you to watch these 2 videos. I hope you have a great day, and peace out.